Welcome to the Amplus Forms online training. During this module, we'll teach you about the page field and discuss how to manage its unique properties when creating a form. Please take a look at Module 1A on Basic Properties Common Features for instruction on the basic common properties associated with fields. When you select this page field at the top of the left panel and click, a new page will be inserted into your screen. So when you add a new page to your form design panel, you may give it a unique data name. So here we have page 2, let's change this to Demo 2, and in the page title, which is a title that will be seen by the user on the mobile device, we'll call this Advanced Fields. And again, you can change this to bold if you wanted to, or change the colour. When you create a new screen, it will automatically open with one page already created. What you are currently looking at is exactly what we've done here, but we've added a page. So we've got now a page 2, which we've named Demo 2. So remember, every time you add a page 3, now page 4, now page 5. And again, you can give each one a unique data name. Note, now we have more pages. We can toggle between those pages using these arrows in the top right of our middle panel. So forward, I can go page 3, page 4, page 5. Now if I want to jump straight back to our demo page, I can use the drop down and press Demo 2. Below our page title, you will see Repeatable basic property. By selecting this property, you allow the page to repeat its fields. When the user in the app attempts to go to the next page, they will be asked, do you have a page title name to add? With the options yes and no. Notice that when we check the repeatable box, two more properties have appeared. One is repeat range and the other is prevent deletion of repeats. Now repeat range property, if selected, allows a minimum and or maximum times the page should be repeated. If minimum is set, the app will automatically repeat this page that number of times. Thereafter, the user is then prompted to add more. But once the maximum repeats are reached, again, the app will then move to the next page. So for instance here, I can set 5 and 10. Now, prevent deletion of repeats. By default, the users can delete repeats via a red X button provided in the top of each repeatable page. But by clicking here, it removes the button preventing repeat deletion, and this is useful for cases such as pre-populated and or fixed repeats. In layout and styling, we may change the background colour. You can see Module 1A for more instruction on this property. The last property we'll discuss in this module is within validation and behaviour. Here we can specify how the fields in this page should be validated. We have three options: inline, page change, or end of form. By choosing inline, validation occurs when the user has entered a value into a field. But if I change this to page change, this validation occurs when the user tries to navigate to another page. So the last in the list, which is end of form here, this validation allows the user to leave this page while fields are still invalid, only performing validation checks when the entry is uploaded. Of course, the best way for you to learn is by doing so, and we encourage you to create a new screen or form, add fields, and play with the properties within them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.